Rachel Khoo is a British cook, writer and broadcaster with her own BBC cooking series. She is also founder and editor-in-chief of online lifestyle magazine Khoollect. Khoo was born in Croydon, South London. She has a younger brother named Michael and attended primary school in Bromley. Her paternal family were Chinese immigrants to Malaysia and were part of the Khoo Kongsi clan house located in Georgetown, Penang. Her father is Malaysian Chinese and emigrated from Ipoh, Perak to the UK at aged 16 in 1968. He later met and married her mother, an Austrian native. At 12, her father's job in it took the family to Bavaria, where they lived in the countryside outside Munich for 4 years. They returned to the UK when Rachel was 16. She attended Central St Martin's College of Art and Design in London and earned a degree in art and design. After graduating from university, Khoo initially worked in public relations for the luxury fashion retailer Thomas Pink for 2 years. Looking for adventure in her life and with no knowledge of French, she quit her job at Thomas Pink and undertook a 3-month patisserie course at Le Cordon Bleu in Paris in 2006. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.